Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today you read about the American bird, which is the bald eagle. This is our last reading passage for the year, and the reason for that is so that you have time to finish up anything that you haven't finished if you're not to this point yet. All right, so you can go back and get caught up on things. So number one, where do bald eagles build nests? I circled C, high in the trees. Right, it told us that on the back of our passage. Bald eagles build huge nests, and the nests are high in the trees. The text describes several characteristics of bald eagles. What does a bald eagle have that helps it fly very quickly? I circled C again, powerful wide wings, and again it's on the back part. Up at the top there, they're powerful wide wings. Mother and father baby eagles both take care of their baby eaglets. What part of the text tells us that this is true? And again, I circled C, that both parents bring the babies food. It tells us they hatch from eggs and then both parents bring them food. That's how they both take care of them. What is the American bird mostly about? It's about bald eagles, and the answer is C again. Right, the whole thing was about the bald eagle, which is a symbol of the United States. What do bald eagles have that help them find food? Bald eagles have wonderful sight. And here's where I got the two words to write. Don't forget your finger space between them. What did you learn from the American bird? Just pick one thing that you learned about the bald eagles. Use information from the text to explain why the bald eagle stands for the United States strength. All right, think about what we know about the bird. Why would it stand for strength? And then draw a picture of a bald eagle with food in its claws. You can see the picture on the front, and you just want to draw some sort of food in its claws. Then for your math, you had some puzzles. This is where you glue your pieces. You had this page over here that showed you some different ways you could cut it. You wanted to cut two straight lines from edge to edge. They didn't matter which direction the straight lines were going. These were the sides you were cutting. And then you mix them up and put them over here. And then you draw some of the shapes that you had after you cut your rectangles. I wrote some of them. You might have triangles, you might have squares, or you might have rectangles. All right, whichever ones of those shapes you have, that's what you draw down at the bottom. All right, we have finished this math unit now also, so tomorrow will be your quizzes. And if you're all caught up, you will be done until our very last video where we say goodbye for the year. And if you're not all caught up, you have next week to get caught up. We left that week open just so that people could get caught up because we have some people that are behind. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you at the end of next week to say goodbye.